right, let's do a quick little eye look for my hooding eyes. Yes, I said hooding because every time I say hooded, somebody comes for me and says, oh, your eyes aren't hooded. I know they're not completely hooded, but let me tell you something. This is not how my eyes were when I was in my 20s, okay? They were like, so they're hooding. That being said, we're going the affordable route. We're going to use the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette. This one is I Love You Latte, and 2 brushes. Now, I will say invest in good brushes because they can really elevate your makeup look. These are my favorite. They're from Mike Kit Co. One is the 1.28. It's called my Flat Blender. It's just an all-over brush. The main brush that you're really going to want to focus on is your crease brush. But we are going to just take a light color and dust it on the lid. Get yourself a good crease brush, okay? This one is very good. It's the My Kit Co. 1.32. It's called my Blending Shadow. I love that they're named. So I'm going to take these 2 colors. Now this is the main thing when your eyes are hooding or hooded. You're going to look straight. So I'm going to look at you. I'm going to place the brush right here, right in my little crease. And I am going to go side to side. So it's important that when you're applying shadow to your crease, you have to look up if your eye is hooded or hooding, because if you start to put it here and you look down and you look up, chances are it disappears. I know you've had that issue. I've had it before, but you're just gonna kind of just bring it up a little bit higher. And if you want to add more depth, go in with a little bit of that deeper color, just a little bit though. We're not going for a smoky eye, we're just going for depth. So we're mixing the colors. Just kind of putting it here. Just like that. If it looks a little bit harsh, do not panic. Go back with that first brush and you are just going to diffuse the color and just blend. So now if I kind of pull back, this eye looks more open because we've minimized this little meaty part and it just makes the eye look bigger. So give that a try. Don't go crazy. $3. Get yourself any eyeshadow brush. All right, try it out, tag me, let me know how you like it.